As a nation, many of our best and brightest find it easier to spend their energies on obtaining lucrative public contracts for imported goods and services, rather than the hard work involved in setting up and growing manufacturing industry. Of course, I don't blame people or fault them for choosing the easier option. The reward system is skewed because over the years, national policies at the micro and sector level does not support production. Instead, every policy, from insisting on exchange rate stability to benefit people importing second-hand spare parts in the face of local inflation, to the many legislated exemptions from import duty, undermines local production efforts. Even local content rules are allowed exemptions under the law. And in short order, the exemptions become the norm. Our inability and sometimes plain unwillingness to enforce local laws give traders and importers a clear advantage over local production. It is no wonder that we have become a nation of traders. Unfortunately, in the process, we lose the quality and career-building manufacturing jobs on which middle-class families can be nurtured and grown. We are rapidly becoming a society of a small, affluent minority benefiting from economic rent, public procurement, trading monopolies, and a vast unemployed and underemployed majority stuck in low-scale, dead-end trading and service industry jobs. Waiters and waitresses. In the process, the policies of appeasement of this big majority with low prices and free social programs because of their voting power becomes the route to seeking power and retaining political power. The process goes full cycle when economic rent beneficiaries justify their unearned fortunes by claiming to finance politics. Some even brazenly step into the political fray with their unearned fortunes and seek power for themselves. We forget that the solution to general poverty is not low prices and free goods. The solution to poverty is income generation from skilled and sustainable jobs. Manufacturing and production are the means to such jobs. Fortunately, we have not reached a tipping point, and there is still time and opportunity to take responsibility for ourselves. The first step is to identify the appropriate value chains, as I have said. We must make manufacturing policy based on these chains and make our limited resources available to manufacturing within the chains. Market access for local production should be a priority. Every locally produced effort should be given priority over imports, with a price advantage, especially in the early stages. Periodic review and sunset clauses will prevent abuse of such price advantage. Development and enforcement of national quality standards must be rigorous. At the same time, regulatory agencies must have a facilitatory approach rather than policing. These measures will quickly scale up competitive local manufacturing within and across established value chains.